Exploring English. Unlocking locations with where. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on the wonderful world of English grammar. Today, we are delving into a very exciting topic, using where for location. This tiny but powerful word is crucial in expressing location in English, and we're going to master its usage today. So, get ready to widen your horizons and let's dive right in. Where is a relative pronoun that is used to refer to places or locations. It helps us connect two clauses about the same place into a single complex sentence. For instance, instead of saying, I live in a city, the city is very beautiful, we can combine them using where. I live in a city where it is very beautiful. It's not only for physical locations though. Where can also be used in more abstract contexts, like referring to stages in a process or points in a story. We're at a stage where we need to make a decision. Now let's see how we can use where in various sentence structures. Beginning of a sentence. Where I live, it rains a lot. Middle of a sentence. The park, where I often go for walks, is near my house. End of a sentence. Can you show me the place where you found this? Remember, the clause with where provides extra information about the location or the place mentioned in the main clause. Even though where is a handy relative pronoun, it's important to use it correctly. Let's look at some common mistakes. Avoid using where for people. For example, it's incorrect to say, the woman where lives next door is a teacher. Instead, use who. The woman who lives next door is a teacher. Be careful not to use where to refer to a time. When is the correct relative pronoun for time references. So, instead of saying, the year where I graduated was 2020, you should say, the year when I graduated was 2020. So there you have it, friends. We've just explored the mighty where, learning how it can transform our sentences and how to avoid common mistakes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use where in your daily English conversations. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English adventure. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.